What is climate change? The term climate change is used to denote the long-term changes in the weather patterns in a given region. Human activity from pollution to overpollution driving after Earth's temperature and fundamentally changing the world around. Climate change is formally defined as a rise in Earth's temperature that persists for a decade or longer. There could be several causes for climate change, but the biggest one is the rising concentration of greenhouse gases. Simply put, greenhouse gases are those gases in our atmosphere that trap heat. Some examples include carbon dioxide, methane, chlorofluorocarbon, nitrous oxide, and ozone. How these gases affect climate change depends on their amount and their global warming potential, or GWP. This metric tells us how long gas remain in the atmosphere on average and how strongly it absorbs energy. The rise in global temperature changes several other weather patterns and geographical conditions. For example, the increase in temperature directly impacts the snow, river and lake ice, sea ice, glaciers and ice caps, ice shelves and ice sheet, as well as frozen ground, also known as permafrost. The rising surface temperature causes a decline in ice mass. Climate change can directly affect people's physical health. In urban areas, the warmest atmosphere creates an environment that traps and increases the amount of smoke disease because smoke contains ozone particles, which is increased rapidly at higher temperature. Exposure to higher levels of smoke can cause heart problems such as asthma, heart disease, and lung cancer. One example of engineering solution is the greenhouse gas carbon dioxide is filled directly out of the air using a chemical process. The CO2 is pumped underground where it can no longer harm the climate. The Swiss company claims works are amongst the pioneers in the field, but as yet they are able to filter rather modest amount of carbon dioxide out of the air, 900 tons a year. To minimize the climate change using the non-engineering solution, we can use the public transport such as LRT, monorail, KTM, and bus. To summarize this video, everybody should play their respective role of tackle the climate change that bring impact to us. That's all from me, and thank you for watching.